gazing at.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, na, 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 na. Oh, I love you, baby. Yeah.
We are here for Sam today.
Kwa majina anaitwa Dennis Mwenda, lakini wengi wanijua kama Masharia. Niko hapa for Yvonne and Sammy.
Hi guys, I'm Victor Getonga. Wengi wananiita Ninja, a Japanese ninja, wanioni. Anyway, we are here for Sam. It's a good day, great day. See you guys.
Hello there, I'm Luke. We are here for Sam and Yvonne. Let's make the day merry.
Hi there, naitwa Levi Amatush. We are here to celebrate the Sam and to honor the new family in town. Na tunajua God ako pamoja.
I see you in my dreams when I sleep. You're the one I've been waiting for all my life.
It's my wedding day. I am very grateful to be at this juncture. It's been a long journey. Tumekuwa tunapanga siku mingi, lakini nashukuru Mungu kwamba ametufikishia leo. Maombi yangu ni kwamba hii safari venye tumeanzia na Mungu tuweze kuenda pamoja na yeye, atuongoze kwa kila jambo, atusaidie hata katika maisha ya familia, because family life is not a joke. And I also wish to have a good time with my partner. I thank God for her, and I want to tell her at this moment that I love her very much, and I do wish that we have a wonderful life together. I pray to God that He gives us a long time tutaweza kuspend.
Hello, my name is Yvonne Mukaria. Today is 29th November 2025, my wedding day, when I am signing my forever with the one and only Samuel Kimathi. Babe, when you watch this, know that I love you so much.
Kwenye safari ya mapenzi we dereva imara, panapona utelezi naomba gangamara. Maya I know zitakuja changamoto toto, sweetie I know tutapitia misoto toto. Najua unanipenda mchumba, huwezi enda na kimbunga. Najua unanipenda lazizi, huwezi enda na mawimbi mpenzi. Sura yangu zishaanza kufanana. Moyo wako, moyo wangu, kupendana hadi kiyama. Siko single, mchumba, waambie hauko single.
Pastor Rinette Jody, I thank God for this day. Thank you for Yvonne, thank you for Sam. I bless the rent for you, even for choosing us to be your parent. I just want to declare a blessing of God upon you. May God make you great. May God multiply you. May God see you through this life. You'll never lack, you'll never cry. God will be your guide forever. God bless you.
I love you, Lord.
fails me. All my days I've been held in your hand. From the moment that I wake up till I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. 'Cause all my life you have been faithful. And all my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. I love your voice. You have led me through the fire, and in darkest night, you are close like no other. I've known you as a father. I've known you as a
niweze kupitia pia wewe ili tuwe wanandoa kwa kuangaliwa katika vijiji vya katika dunia.
Cheza na mimi kata, siku yetu imefika.